Welcome back, students. This is your Dipanita ma'am will teach you science. Students, today we are going to learn the chapter from the new book. The chapter is Plants and Animals Also Need Water. This chapter is related to the previous two chapters I have taught you in previous classes. Students, so this is important to learn this chapter also. Okay, so start learning the chapter. As you know, student, we need water to live. People need water, human being need water to live. Like that, like us, animals and plants also need water. Okay, students, I want to show you a picture. See the picture. Plants need water. See this diagram I have explained to you in previous classes. Okay, that plants grows in the presence of sunlight and air and water. Water, from where they get water? As you know, students, rainwater is the main source of water on the earth. Rainwaters goes into the soil. Rainwater goes into the soil, and water gets water from the soil through its roots. So this is so students, plants gets water through roots. Now we will do one activity. An activity must be done in this chapter. What is that activity? The activity is water is needed for germination of seed. So students, water is needed for germination of seed. What is germination? Germination means growing of a seed is called germination. Okay. Now you see how you will write. What is the process of writing an activity? There is a process to write. There is a method to write an activity. This must be written in this process. Okay. First we will write material required. See, 2 earthen pots. You require 2 earthen pots. You will name them as pot A and pot B. And some soil, some soaked seeds. What is soaked seeds? Soaked seeds means when you will put dry seeds in water for few hours, then it become soaked seed. That soaked seed you need for germination of plant. Germination of seed and water. These materials you require for this activity. Now, what is the procedure? Procedure means what is the process? First, take some soaked seed. We will take some soaked seeds. Second, sow them. See student, sow them in 2 pots filled with soil. First we fill the pot with soil. The pot is filled with soil. Okay. These are soil. It is filled with soil. Next, soil in the presence of sunlight, not inside the room, in the presence of sunlight and air. See, I have shown here there is sun and air around us. Okay, after few days, what you will find? After few days you will find, after few days, when you are watering pot B, not pot A, then what you will find? See, the third point is water only for pot B daily. Okay. After few days, what you will find? See, the pot A remains same. There is nothing growing there. And pot B, you see, pot B, small plants are coming out. In pot A, you can see remains the same. And in pot B, after few days, in pot B, some plants, small plants are coming out. Okay. Then this is for this experiment, for this you say activity, you have to write the result also. So what is the result, students? You will write like this: result, pot A remains same. Number 2, pot B, small plants are coming out. This is the result. Okay. Now we should know what is the germination of seed. So see, these are the stages of germination of seed. You can see, in the presence of air and sunlight, the seed gets water from the soil. Okay, this is the seed, gets water from the soil, and then it start growing. Okay, the seed germinating. See, a small pudule, this is called pudule. Small pudule is coming out in the second stage. So students, what is coming out? A small pimules. See, in the second stage, a small pimule is coming out. See, I have shown you with the blue marker. Small pimule is coming out. In the third stage, after few days, you will observe that a young plant seed become, the seed having pimule become young plant, and then it grows after that. Okay, the fourth, this is a little big tree, plant. So in the first stage it is seed. Second stage, after few days, seed germinating and having pimule, and in the third you will find a small plant. It is changed into a small, the pimule is changed into small plant, and then it start becoming bigger and bigger. Okay. So students, what is the decision? You have to write this also. After germination, I have shown you so many things here. First, we have shown that water is needed for the germination of the seed. This is that part. And what is germination? Germination is the growing of seed. That I have shown you in different stage. Okay, different stages I have drawn and explained you. And the last thing you have to write is decision. So what is proved? That is decision. Water is needed for germination. The thing is, the water is needed for germination. So this is an activity for this chapter. Students, I hope you will enjoy this. I hope you understood this. Okay. Now students, see this. Aquatic plants. Okay, some plants grow in water. They are called aquatic plants. Lotus, water lily and water hyacinth are aquatic plants. You can see the pictures shown here. Okay. Next, here it is shown that without water, a plant wilt. A plant wilts without water. Okay. When you this is in the presence of water, air and sunlight, this plant remains fresh and green. And come to the next. You can see this better. Okay. Animals need water. Animals also need water. Animals living in the forest get water from ponds, rivers, lakes or streams. And what is about domestic animals? Yes, domestic and pets animals get water from humans, because they are living around animals they are living around humans. They are living with human beings. Okay, so they get water from humans. So animals get water from humans. Which animals? Pets and domestic animals. These things I have already explained you. And now just this is you learn this again. Water also provides home for many animals like fish, whale and octopus. These animals are called aquatic animals. Why? Because they live in water. See, pictures are also given. Beautiful picture. There is whale, fish, small fish and octopus. You can see. Now see, more plants and animals. This is about more plants and animals. All plants and animals need water, but some plants and animals need less water than others. Then which plants and animals those need less water, can survive with the less water? Yes, that is cactus. Cactus plant need very little water. It grows in places with very less water. Cactus does not have leaves like other plants. See, this thing what you are looking, this is not actually leaves. This is stem. Okay, so leaves are converted into spines, and the spines, see, small pines. These spines actually these leaves are converted into spines, and that is why these plants can grow with minimum water. Understand, student? The upper surface is very less. You will find upper surface very less in the spines. So they can survive in desert. These plants can survive in desert with less water. And come on to the animal. Camel. Camel is found in the desert. We know that very less water is available in the desert. Camel is an animal that can live without food and water for many days. This is the fact. Okay. Camels can live without water and food for many days. Desert rats and snakes also need less water to live. These are some special animals and plants that can live without water for many days. Okay, so students, we have gone through the chapter. Students, the chapter ends here, and now you have the book, and read it carefully, give your attention and be sincere. Okay students, that is what for today. Thank you students. Goodbye.